If you're looking to get into real estate investing, NFTs are something you need to watch out for. Let's start off with a quick introduction to NFTs for beginners out there. NFT stands for non-fungible token. It is a virtual and unique token that cannot be replaced by another. This is a huge departure from traditional centrally managed systems, where each unit is essentially the same. NFTs are quickly gaining traction in the world of real estate investing. They are digital, secure, and can be traded quickly and easily. So, why is this such a big deal for real estate investors? In this video, we are going to tell you 5 ways NFTs will change the game. Transactional efficiency will increase dramatically. They'll make it easier for people to maintain the property. With NFTs, you'll be able to maintain your property without having to go through a third party. This will save you time and money. Redundant paperwork will be eliminated. They'll make it easier for people to use the property. With NFTs, you'll be able to rent out your property or use it for other purposes without having to go through. Are you ready to invest in the future? If yes, then Exodus Capital has got a compilation of pure advice for you. Visit our website, exoduscapital.com, where you can watch hundreds of informational videos on investment and personal finance. No more thousands of dollar courses anymore. Just $50 monthly fees to enjoy the world's top-notch financial advice. Thanks for watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.